Well, we are back. We're just starting to get set up. We got Mega Live going. Got a jigging rod, got the heater going. Got to set up some still lines. And we got Dad. And we got Adam in the pop up there. So yeah, we're out ice fishing. And we just got set up. We got a bit of a late setup. It's about 11:30, so late start today. But the plan is to catch some walleye. We do have a chance of some multi-species though, some pike, perch, whitefish, whatever. But yeah, the plan is walleye today. Hopefully we can catch some fish, and hopefully we can make a good video. I'm getting a bite here. I got a fish. Oh, I got a chest mount on. Oh my goodness. Yes. Tiny guy. Just setting up the jaw jacker here, and he bit it while I was putting it down. And there he goes back. What a little guy. Oh. Bye-bye. Looking for some walleye now. What are you gonna be? A Walchie? Oh yeah. Look at that one. It's a nice gold one. Look at his fin.
Holy.
That's mangled.
Where's your tape?
That's in the shack. I'll bring him in the shack. Might as well. 18-incher. That's a funny looking walleye. My first walleye of the day. There he goes. When did that rod go off?
Well, it was off when I was out there.
Oh yeah. We do have something on here. Line is frozen. And it's a little walleye. Look at that scar on his cheek. A little small to keep. Get the pliers out. Was not expecting that. So camera angle probably was not that nice. There we go, popped out. It's got the minnow down there, so we'll let him have that. And it's probably a 13-incher, but we'll get him back because it's pulled out. In the shallower hole again. This hole has produced the 18-incher from earlier, and the pike, and now this walleye. And we're just using the jaw jacker setup with a little octopus hook, a dace minnow, and then a split shot. And they're liking it up shallow, so might have to move around a bit and jig. Oh. There we go. Another one on the shallow line, and the reel's frozen. It's a nice, healthy, stocking looking fish. Hey. Huh. Perfect hook set on him by the jaw jacker. Is he a keeper?
Looks like it is.
I guess he's a good keeper. Nice golden walleye. Get in the shack here and measure him quickly. Alright, give him a quick measurement. He's a just over a 15 incher, so perfect keeper. Wow, the jaw jacker and still lines with just a minnow are getting most of our bites today up in 8-9 feet of water, so might have to start jigging up a little bit shallower and maybe use some spoons or something. Oh, he's still on there. Oh yeah. Probably another little walleye. Nice. Right on. The jigging minnows today. Well, hooking minnows, I guess. They're liking that. Probably only 5 minutes after the last one.
Yep.
Nice, Dad. I'll let this guy go. There he goes. What do you got?
Could be a matching walleye today.
Hey, that's a keeper. Alright, there we go. Ooh, he was barely hooked.
Was he?
Just by a little bit of skin on his lip.
Oh yeah.
I left my pliers over there.
He didn't stick around too long, like you saw it for maybe 4 or 5 seconds, and then he hit it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The paw special. W30 blue. That's a nice walleye. We'll have to give him a quick measure, but he looks to be close to a 16 incher. Got some good fillets on him. A little school went through. Alright, nice gold walleye. 16 1/4. Perfect keeper. Are you napping?
What?
Are you napping?
No, I thought about it. I tried.
Show the people at home this setup. One walleye. How deep are you?
17 feet.
Nice. You mucking chips too?
Oh yeah. Chips, sandwiches, everything.
All the goodies right on. That one's not bad. That one's not bad. Oh yeah. Look at that one. That's a nice fish. Hooked absolutely perfectly. Ouch. Hooked absolutely perfectly. And that is a beautiful walleye. Well, there we go. Our biggest one of the day so far. Probably a 20 incher. It's cold out, so we'll get him back quickly. Still lines working great today. There he goes. Nice. Probably close to a 20 incher. So I want to show you guys what we're fishing right now. Hopefully you can see this well, but we're right up on a sand flat and it's kind of got a bit of a point out here. And we've been kind of trying to fish around the edges. Been catching fish, but our two still lines right up on the flat have been doing the absolute best. It's all sand, sandy, muddy bottom, and we got some deeper water adjacent to it. So yeah, we've been having a good afternoon so far. Nice 20-inch walleye not too long ago, and prime time should be starting in a little bit here, so hopefully we can catch some more. Well, as you can tell, it is dark out now and we're packing up. We caught some fish, but we thought we were gonna have a better evening bite, but nothing came through in the evening. So it was weird. We caught some fish during the day, some quality walleye, and it was still a fun day. Caught some quality walleye, a couple good keepers, and a few multi-species, a pike, perch, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.